sir. Good evening. So, first and foremost, sir, how are you feeling right now?
I'm good.
Okay, you're good. That's good to know. And this evening, sir, we will be assessing your pain and your skin. So first, I am your nurse for this evening. I am Nurse JB. So may I ask, sir, what is your name and where do you live and age?
I am Nathaniel Ave Mamo and I am 21 years old and I'm currently living in Lumba, Lovenos, Sir.
Okay, that's good. Lumbo. Okay. So, can I ask, sir, how ka nang, kabalo ka, sir, ba, nga where you are right now? Where you are right now, sir?
I'm at clinic.
Okay, very good. That's good. That's good. And kamusta man mo ang biyahe going here, sir?
It's nice.
Okay, that's nice. That's nice. Wala ba yung traffic, sir? Okay na ba?
Wala kayo.
Okay. That's good. That's good. That's good. Um, how about sa kuan, sir, sa ato ang climate karon? Sa mga na-feel karon?
It's a bit cloudy.
Sa bit cloudy. Pero wala ra makakadito na gang.
Wala.
Okay, okay. So sa inyo ang answer sa inyo ang family. Naaba mo ka ng moral history of pain?
Wala.
Wala. So okay, so that's good to hear. So ikaw, sir, naaba ka na experience na pain recently?
Wala.
Wala, that's good, that's good. So how about at this moment, sir? Na, kung atong scale, gikan kung from 0, wala kay pain, up until 10 nga na-feel na super pain karon sa mga mas scale.
0.
Okay, that's good to hear. Zero siya. And current sir, ano ko yung mga questions gamay. So sa unsa na imong mga general activity, imong daily activity, sir?
Going to school.
Okay, going to school and school to home. Okay. How about your ano, sir? Yung mga workouts or work?
I'm doing walking every afternoon.
That's good. That's good. That's a good sign of that you are working yourself. So, how about concert? Your relation to your family, is it good? Is it
Yes, it's good.
okay? So how about your ano, sir? Your sleeping pattern? Unsa ka? Pila ka oras na sleep?
Approximately 8
Okay,
hours.
8 hours. So that's right, sir. 8 to 10 hours is the perfect sleep. So how about ano, sir? Your eating habits? Na ka nang gapamakaw ba ka? Gapanito ba ka? Yes. Okay, that's correct. 3 times a day. Okay, that's exercise. That's good. That's good. And that's good to know, sir. So at this moment, sir. So karon, sir, ako will be assessing your skin. So first, ako sa siyang i-touch yung skin. Is it okay, sir, ako i-touch yung skin?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. And then ako siyang i-assess, sir, to know if ever na naapay kay mga other skin problems. At least ma-prevent natin. So, okay. If you want alcohol, sir, you can get. Okay. So, can I see your skin, sir, up close? And, sir, I would take a close look, sir. It's good. How about here? Okay. Sir, that's good. So, here, sir, if ever nga ako siyang ikuan, sir, ako siyang i-tap. Na siya, sakit wala. Wala, okay. That's good, that's good. So, I will pinch I mean, here, sir, ha. Tapos, let me know if ever nga sakit siya, super sakit or not. No, that's not sakit. That's good. How about sa pikas? So, karon sir, na ba kay mga kanang more other skin problems that kanang more wala pa nag-cure? What's this, sir?
I don't know what.
Okay, it's a little bumpy, sir.
Yes.
Tapos, naa siya yung murag roughness din. And I could say, is it a rash? Nakakuan ba ka o nakabahid ba ka o anything ang kanang murag makapansin mo, sir? Are you allergic to anything?
I'm allergic to chicken.
Okay, allergic. After kanang recently, sir, na ba kayo nakaon ng chicken, sir?
Yeah.
Mm.
Mostly chicken.
Okay, mostly chicken. So, but it's okay. I think it will. Okay, sir. So once again, sir. So I will be checking your ano, sir, your if it's okay, sir, kanang look into the light, tapos kanyo kanang tawagan na gani follow the light. So it's okay. Is it okay?
Yeah.
That's good. Okay, I think you're all set, sir. So I think the only problem here is your skin here. So I think I will be checking your doctor later, sir, for a follow up and also for a ano result. Thank you very much, sir, and have a great evening.
Thank you.
Thank you.